In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your WhatsApp application. And as you can see right here, it says here that they are verifying our phone number and sent us a code. But if in any case you can't receive any code, what you want to do is go to your app settings. So first go to your phone settings, go to your app settings, and search for WhatsApp. So the first thing you want to do here is to grant WhatsApp permissions to access your phone. So make sure that you allow this. Now go back to WhatsApp and try to resend the code again. So if the problem persists, what you can do right here is tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on help. Now here tap on this doesn't answer my question and it will redirect you to contact support. So just describe your problem here saying that you tried everything you can do but you still can't receive the code WhatsApp is trying to send. You can also add screenshots to verify your proof. And after describing your problem here, just tap on next and wait for WhatsApp to contact you again. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.